children, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing that very short video that how to add two numbers. Okay, so this is for all the kids like in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, all the kids. So I'm just making the column method, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So your number, you can split it this method and then write the two number. First number is 6,278. The second number is what? 5,322. Okay, so how are you going to add these two numbers? In column method. Okay, what is the first one? First two number. See, in ones place, go and look for the two number, 8 and 2. You have 8 and 2. So how are you going to do? That's a tricky method I'm going to show you. For 8 and 2, which number is bigger number? So 8 is the bigger number. What are you going to do? So 8 is in your head and then you can make 2 in your finger. So how are you going to make it? After 8, 9, 10. So you're going to write, if you get a 2-digit number, you don't write a 2-digit here. So you're going to write this 0 and the 1 is left over. So you have to write 1 is here for the next 10 digit in over here. So that number is going to count here. Okay. So what's the next number? So this one is finished. So then go to the next number. So I'll show you I'll change the color. So I will take the green, maybe that is going to be perfect. Maybe you can see. Okay. Next one is 7 and 2 in 10 digit, tens place. So which number is bigger number? 7. So you can keep a 7 in your head and then 2 in your finger. So you will get 8, 9. But don't forget to count this 1. So then another number is 1. So going to be, see, 7 in your head, 2 in your finger. So 8, 9. Again this is 10. So you got again 10. So write 0 here and then cut out this. The another one going to be here. Very easy. So again, look at that. The 2 and 3 in 100 place. Which number is bigger number? 3. Keep your bigger number in your head and 2 in your finger. So after 3, 4, 5 and count this number, that is 6. So write 6. So you don't need this anymore. Cut out. Then what is the last two digit is 6 and 5. So that is 6 in your head, 5 in your finger. So going to count it. 5 in your finger. How are you going to count? Okay, let's go. 6 is in your head, 5 in your finger. 5 fingers are here. So then go for after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can write, because this is the end, so you can write the 11 here. So that's it. This is very helping. So this video is going to help you to add to number in column method. That's it. Bye-bye.
We are Study Sprout.